How to join PUBG mobile Discord server. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on this button right here, or it's that Discover under all your servers. Now from here, you're gonna have to go on the search button and search up PUBG mobile. Now from here, just click on enter. Once you do that, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on the first server right here, or it's at PUBG mobile. Now from here, click on join PUBG mobile. It should take a while. It should ask you a few questions. Just click on start. What do you want to do in the community? So as of right now, I don't know. So I'm gonna just click on skip. What is your peak in PUBG mobile? So I was silver. I'm gonna just click on that, then click on next. Now from here, I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna just click my server. So I'm Asian, so I'm gonna say Asia, then click on next. How would you like others to refer you? So I'm a man, he and him. Click on next. Now from here, make sure you read the rules, then click on finish. Now as you guys can see, I am in the PUBG mobile server. I could scroll down and I could talk to people in general. This server is always active. I could basically do whatever I want. I could also talk to strangers. I could talk about off topic. I could also join general and meet new people and stuff. So this would have helped you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.